My name is Melissa Nelson, and this presentation is for a post-reading activity for the book The Giving Tree, written and illustrated by Shel Silverstein. The Giving Tree is a fiction story. It is the story of a tree and a boy. They love each other and spend time playing together. The tree provides many things for the boy. Over time, the boy grows older. Every time he returns, the tree gives him what she can and is always eager to make the boy happy. One often proposed theme is that of a parent and child, and the selflessness with which a parent provides for their children. Another theme is that of the relationship between humans and earth, the tree representing the earth and all of its resources, the boy representing humans that take from the earth without consideration of what their effect their actions will have upon the earth. Some consider it a religious story, with the tree representing God. I chose this story because it is a classic and a favorite of mine. Although it appears to be a simple story of a boy and a tree, there is much meaning embedded in the story. It is a simple story of life and of time that goes by. The book also lends itself to discussions about relationships, giving, and selflessness. For the post-reading activity, we created a Venn diagram. I read the story aloud to the class. We had a group discussion to create a Venn diagram that compared the two characters in the book, the tree and the boy. The students made many of the observations on their own. I did provide a few prompts to stimulate discussion. It was delightful to see them look at the story and the characters in a deeper, more meaningful way. This is the Venn diagram that we created. For the boy, comments were that he asked for a lot, that he got older, and that he needed help a lot. The tree they described as giving. They noted that it was a plant, that it lived in the forest, that it was faithful, and that it always wanted the boy to play. Both things were living. They both loved each other, even though that love may look different. Each looked different from the beginning of the story to the end of the story. And they both were happy when the boy was little and they were together a lot. Post-reading activities aid in improving reading comprehension by promoting higher order thinking. They can create a connection with the literature by promoting personal responses and by collaborating with peers. They can make reading more meaningful and increase the likelihood that reading will be enjoyable. This is the reference slide for the book, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation.